Hey guys, welcome to our Form 5 training workout. This training is going to help improve your Form 5 skills for lightsaber choreography and give you a good workout. Before we get started, if you haven't seen it, make sure to check out our basics video so you're familiar with the number system we use to teach choreographies and the styles. And you're also going to want to watch our Form 5 tutorial so you're familiar with this style before we start. The links will be in the description below for these. If you're new to the channel, we do tutorials, fan films, and saber reviews. For more content like this, force push that sub button. Without further ado, let's get started with a 1-minute plank. Begin. Planks are really good for your core, and having a strong core is really good for fight choreography. You want a strong base to be swinging your lightsaber from. Personally, I do a 2-minute plank every morning when I wake up. For me, that's enough to get my core engaged for the day, but not enough to wear me out because I have a lot of physical activities I do every day, so I just keep it to a chill 2-minute plank. Let me know what your plank game is like. Do you guys usually plank for 30 seconds or a minute, or can you guys even do 3 to 5 minutes? Let me know in the comments below. But first, you have to finish the rest of this plank. Alright, so that's a 1-minute plank. How does that feel? Feeling engaged? Feeling pretty good? Alright, well next let's do some wrist exercises. Just straight up and down. Let's get that forearm going. Sometimes I'll do these with my Archangel steel swords to really get a nice forearm workout in. Next we're going to do some wrist twists. This is also really good for control of the blade. Now let's do the other side, just up and down. Now let's do the wrist twist on this side. Alright, next we're going to do some 9 count, attacking and defending. We're going to go real slow. Let's warm up those shoulders a little bit before we start. I really want you to think accuracy for this and really think about that graze through that I talk about in the Form 5 tutorial. Alright, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Now let's defend. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Let's go back to attacking. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Another set of defense. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Faster, but keep the accuracy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now block. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Block again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Good. Now let's just do a slow flourish. Flourishes are also really good for just having control of your weapon. You guys ever hear about that Flourish speed competition? I think it was on TikTok. People were challenging each other and duetting people, like who's the fastest Flourisher. I think it was a couple years ago. I think we need to bring that back, yeah? We should bring that back, and we should bring like how fast can you attack 9 count. Actually, I'm going to challenge you guys right now. Record your fastest 9 count and tag me on TikTok, IG, or YouTube. I want to see who of my followers is the most accurate and the fastest Jedi or Sith. Alright, next we're going to go 1, 4, 3, 2. And really think about the grazing and the accuracy here. Alright, let's begin. 1, 4, 3, 2. 1, 4, 3, 2. Keep it going. All right, let's reverse it. So we're gonna attack 2, 3, 4, 1. Let's begin. Alright, good guys, let's do another flourish, but I would challenge you to do it with your non-dominant hand. If you can't do the Obiani spin, just do a basic figure 8. Or if you can do everything, do everything. Alright, next we're just going to do 5s and 6s, really thinking about the accuracy and that form 5 grazing through. Alright, let's begin. Just like for any exercise on this video, you can match my speed or go your own pace. Just think about the form and accuracy and try to keep it moving. Alright, next up, hanging parries. Alright, let's begin. We're feeling the burn, guys. Hang in there. Alright, let's increase the speed. Alright, good guys. Now let's flourish a little bit quicker or your maximum speed. Good, you guys are doing great. So next we're going to attack a 5 and then defend a 5 inverted. Really remember to graze through on that 5 so you're coming up to defend the 5. Begin. Feel that twist action. This is going to simulate those powerful Form 5 Force Enhanced strikes. Alright, next we're going to do the other side of this, which is attack 6 and defend 6. Is everyone ready? Begin. Almost there. And that's it for today, guys. If you enjoyed this video, stab that like button and slash the bell. Also, let me know if you made it all the way through the video in the comments below. If you want to take a break and watch one of our fan films, we got the link right here. Or if you want to keep going, we got more workouts and more tutorials as well. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and may the Force be with you.